Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a HubSpot sales dashboard in just a few simple steps. Click Reporting in the left sidebar to open the reporting menu. A vertical menu expands showing your reporting options. Click Dashboards from the menu to navigate to the Dashboards page. The main view switches to your Dashboards area. Click the Add Content button in the top right corner. Select Create Dashboard from the drop-down menu that appears. A template selection screen opens with several pre-built dashboard options. For this example, I'm choosing the Outreach Overview template, which includes metrics for tracking your outbound sales activity. Click Next to move to the configuration screen. Type a name for your dashboard. I'm calling this one Outreach Overview. This name will appear in your dashboards list and makes it easier to find later. Select the Allow Everyone to View and Edit radio button to set your sharing preference. This gives your whole team access to modify the dashboard. Click the Create Dashboard button to save it. A confirmation notification appears at the top of the screen, letting you know the dashboard was created successfully. Click Exit to return to the template selection screen. Back on your original dashboard, click Manage Dashboards in the left panel to view all your dashboards. A list of your dashboards appears, showing all the dashboards in your account, including the one you just created. Click the Outreach Overview dashboard from the list to open it. Your new dashboard loads with all the pre-configured reports from the template, including contact activity, email performance, and call metrics. The dashboard filters appear along the top, and you can now start using your sales dashboard to track your team's outreach performance. If you want to add more reports to your dashboard later, just click the Add Report button at the top and browse the available options. You can edit the dashboard sharing permissions at any time from the Settings menu in the top right. To delete a dashboard you no longer need, go back to the Manage Dashboards view and click the three-dot menu next to the dashboard name. And that's how to create a HubSpot sales dashboard. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.